In this video, we'll be using the Guardsman wood filler stick products. The filler sticks are simple DIY repair products that help conceal damaged areas in your wood furniture for a professional repair. Make sure you select the filler stick that best matches the colour of your wood finish. Gently rub the tip of the filler stick across the damaged area until the hole or gap is completely filled. Be careful not to fill up the grain or pores of the wood around the repair area. Remove any excess with a flexible, plastic straight edge or by gently buffing away with a paper towel or napkin. You can blend different colours to achieve the shade you need. Guardsman filler sticks are great for finished or simulated wood furniture, cabinets, counters, doors, floors and moulding. Simple as that, your furniture should now be flawlessly repaired.